Hey friends, get ready for a tire challenge. Find the correct one.
Oh no, the car exploded!
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Oh no, oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Perfect! Francesco! Francesco, eat speed, Francesco, triple speed, Francesco, eat triple speed, Francesco, eat triple speed, Francesco, eat speed, Francesco, triple speed, Francesco, eat triple speed, Francesco, eat triple speed.
Well, hey there, buddy! Well, hey there, buddy! Hey there, buddy! Hey there, buddy! Hey there, buddy! Well, hey there, buddy! Hater! Well, hey there, buddy! Hater! Hey there, buddy! Hey there, buddy! Hey there, buddy! Well, hey there, buddy! Hater! Well, hey there, buddy! Hater! Hey there, buddy! Hey there, buddy! Hey there, buddy! Well, hey there, buddy! Hater! Well, hey there, buddy! McQueen.
Thanks for being with us. If you enjoyed the journey, show some love by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Stay tuned for more awesomeness. Thanks for watching.